The Stewart clan's roots can be traced back to Brittany in France, where they served as seneschals, responsible for overseeing the administration of a region. Their name, Stewart, is derived from the title steward or seneschal, indicating their role as keepers of the estate. The Stewart clan's fate took a momentous turn when Walter Flaad, known as the Steward, relocated to Scotland. This move came at the invitation of David I, who claimed the Scottish throne. Walter Flaad was not only granted extensive estates in Renfrewshire and East Lothian, but also appointed as the Steward of Scotland. Throughout their illustrious history, Clan Stewart has been at the forefront of Scotland's most defining moments. Walter Flaad's move to Scotland and his appointment as steward by David I marked the beginning of their Scottish legacy. Their valour on the battlefield was evident when they played a pivotal role in defeating Somerled of the Isles in 1164. The Stewarts' commitment to Scottish independence was unwavering, with James Stewart, the fifth High Steward, initially pledging allegiance to Edward I of England, but later joining forces with Scottish heroes like William Wallace and Robert the Bruce. The Stewart dynasty officially began with Robert II's reign, securing their place in the annals of royalty. However, their history was not without challenges, as power struggles and political intrigue led to the execution of key family members like Murdoch Stewart. Despite these trials, the Stewarts continued to rule Scotland and, later, England until Queen Anne's death in 1714, leaving an enduring legacy that still resonates in Scottish history today. Apart from the royal line, three significant branches of the Stewart clan settled in the Highlands during the 14th and 15th centuries: the Stewarts of Appin, Atholl, and Balquhidder. Stewarts of Appin, descendants of Sir John Stewart of Bonkyl, they eventually held Appin. Notably, Duncan Mor Stewart took part in battles during the 17th century. Stewarts of Atholl, descendants of the infamous Wolf of Badenoch, they received the earldom of Atholl and played vital roles in Scottish politics. Stewarts of Balquhidder, led by William Stewart of Balderron, this branch settled in Balquhidder and made significant contributions to the region.